CreativeLive features, strengths, weaknesses. CreativeLive is an online learning platform focusing primarily on creative fields like photography, design, music, and business. Unlike platforms offering broader academic subjects, CreativeLive hones in on practical, skill-based knowledge directly applicable to creative professionals. Its core feature is its live broadcast schedule. Every day, instructors teach courses live, and these live sessions are free to watch. This is a huge draw, offering real-time learning and interaction via chat. Beyond live classes, CreativeLive boasts an extensive on-demand library of pre-recorded courses available for purchase individually or through a subscription. The platform also offers CreativeLive TV, a 24/7 stream of curated content. CreativeLive is ideally suited for aspiring and established creative professionals looking to enhance their skills or learn new ones. Its focus on practical application makes it valuable for those seeking to improve their craft and build a portfolio. The platform's strengths are numerous. The free live classes are a major advantage, offering a taste of the content and instructor style before committing to a purchase. The instructors are generally industry leaders and experts, providing high-quality instruction and valuable insights. The focused curriculum allows for deeper dives into specific creative areas compared to broader platforms. However, CreativeLive also has its weaknesses. The on-demand courses can be relatively expensive individually, making the subscription model more appealing for frequent learners. The course quality can vary depending on the instructor and the age of the content. Some older courses may feel outdated. Also, while the live classes are a great feature, the schedule can be restrictive, requiring viewers to be available at specific times. The subscription model, while providing access to a vast library, might not be cost-effective for users who only need a few specific courses. Ultimately, CreativeLive provides significant value for creative professionals. The free live classes, coupled with the expert instructors and focused curriculum, make it a powerful learning resource. While the cost of individual courses and potential schedule conflicts are downsides, the platform's strengths outweigh its weaknesses, especially for those dedicated to continuous learning and skill development in creative fields. If you're serious about honing your creative talents and staying up to date with industry trends, CreativeLive is definitely worth considering.